Hello guys, today we are playing GTA 5. But you are noticing that that character is not normal because I have customized my character and I am playing GTA Online, not story mode. So let's start. First, let's get a car. Sorry, lady. This is GTA Online. It's basically GTA 5 but multiplayer and more fun. So let's go. So many missions I can see. I want to earn some money. So let's go to Pizza this to get a job. Because I don't have much money in this game. Only about like $50,000. Because I have started playing this recently. So let's go. I have started playing this about a week ago, so I don't have much, but let's grind today to get the money and save up for my dream car, the Vigilante. That's basically the Batmobile. So let's go. We are going. Now we are going to get a job. Let's go. Okay, he is getting inside. That's my character. Let's name him Bob. Let's name him Bob. Okay. Let's go to customer number 1. Let's go. That's the heat, that's the tips, pizzas delivered and the total earned. Let's go. Let's see how much I will earn after this drop of pizza, after here, whatever. Deliver the pizzas to the customers. Okay, that's not important. The important part is I have to deliver this pizza before the heat of this bar goes down. You can see it in my screen at the top. Not at the top, at the bottom top. Okay, let's go. I have reached. Let's go. Okay, there's a yellow marker. He's knocking. Give the pizza. I saw his hand. Very good. Let's sit this on this bike. I have earned 2,432. That's not bad. In rupees, it is about 2 lakh. So yeah, that's concerning. I don't know why did he give me that too much. Okay, let's go. I'm rich now. Okay, let's go. This bike is special. This bike is very special because we cannot obtain it normally. So that's pretty cool. I'm driving it and now it's 0.50 miles away. Okay, that's the gunman. Okay, we are going at full speed. Okay, let's go. I can hear police noises. I'm not gonna do anything because the cops will chase me, and that's not good for any beginner. Because I don't have many guns. In story mode, I have RPG, homing launcher, rail gun, everything. But in online mode, I don't have anything. Just a micro SMG, a marksman rifle, and a shotgun. And I have no much money. I don't have much money. Let's go. Let's take. You can take your pizza. Let's go. Now we are going. Okay, let's sit. We are setting a waypoint to this guy. They are luckily very close, and my heat bar is not gone much down. Let's go. Why cannot go up this? Okay, let's go. Full power. Let's go. Deliver pizza to the customers. Let's go at full power. Look at these bouncy. They are pretty fun. Oh, yeah. Like that. Sorry, lady. Sorry. Luckily, you have survived.
Well, damn, excuse me.
Okay, sorry. I forgave you. Okay, I just came here to deliver pizzas. Okay, let's go. We are over here. How do I get there? I think I have to just go over it. Let's knock. Take the pizza guy. Okay, let's go. Get on the delivery bike. What a special delivery. I don't know, 1,000. I don't know, I earned 2,000. And there's a 1,000 tip. Very good. I have earned 3,000 in total. I'm rich now. I'm very rich. The richest one. Probably in my dreams right now. But okay, I will achieve it one day. I will be the top player. The pro player. And for that I have to grind a lot. I mean a lot. So let's go. We are over here. Okay, I can see the destination. Let's go. Okay, let's give him the pizza.
I'm on the other side of town. Can I pick it up for you later?
Okay, take that. I don't know why did he point.
Okay.
I don't know. Let's go.
If the dog wants to
Get on the
I'll
delivery.
get
Payment 2,000 and tips are 389.
Oh wait, yeah, I got it. No problem.
Let's go. Tips. Oh, that's the tip cat. Tip received is 389. I was wrong that time. Total earned is $9,000. Oh my god, that's a lot for a beginner. But for a pro, that's nothing. That's just not even $1. Okay, who is this guy? He has a fancy car. I don't want a fancy car. He is trying to hit me. I'm running out of here. How dare he? How dare he hit me? If he hits me, I'm gonna slap him in the face. I'm gonna kill him with my SMG.
Shit!
The most overpowered gun I have currently. You know. Okay, let's go. We are going. Nice. We are going. Okay. We are going at full power. Okay, I have almost arrived. No, I don't have. Still have 0.70 miles. Okay. If you are still enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and watch till the end. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really appreciated, and also comment. Okay, anyways, we are going. 0.40, 0.365, 4, 3. Let's go. Who is that guy? He's also trying to talk. Can you just not let me just go to that guy, last guy, in peace? In total peace. Okay, sorry. I hope no one saw that.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, let's go. Sorry guys, I scared you a little bit. That's not a problem for me. Let's go. I think it's up the staircase. Let's get off the bike and go up the staircase. Okay. Yep, it is there. Let's go. Take the pizza, man. Okay, I can do this. I've earned $21,000. That's a lot. That's literally a lot. What is this unknown? X0, classes if P phone. Answer it. I don't want to answer that P phone. Look, I also got this bike for free. Nice, very nice. It's a Pagasi one. Pagasi Pizza Boy. And now let's drive it. This is a special car. Very good. So that's, I think, how you obtain this bike. Look, I am also doing a wheelie. Pretty cool. The only problem with this is, for a bike, it is very slow. This kind of slow. Not gonna lie. It could be fast in some way, but in a flat road it is very slow. Only in slopes it is fast. Wow, he got launched spinning. Did you see that? That was cool. Luckily he didn't die. He's strong. He's wearing a t-shirt. Who's that guy? I don't know. I don't even want. He has a concerning car. Okay. Where I have to go? I want to store this in my garage. Give Lester a call to place a bounty on another player's head. It will cost place and when played, all other players will be informed. The killer of the bounty victim will be rewarded. Okay. Nice. I am searching. Where is my garage? Secure survival. I don't want secure survival. I also want luxury autos. Let's search here and then the side panel. Forklift operator, call, duties here. Okay, I'm just going out of here. Train will hit me. I will die and also the bike. Okay. I'm off the train. Let's go. There, I'm searching it very fastly. I'm reading it. Very fast. 2 Lester Crest, 3 Lester Crest, I don't know. Okay, nightclub property owned apartment. I think I have to go nearby the apartment. Let's go. Okay, let's start the bike and go. Full speed of this bike. Full speed, like the literal full speed.
You know what?
P4, PIZ4. That's I think also a custom number plate that you cannot obtain. PIZ4, PIZ4. Enter G to play the currently active Gerald mission. No, I don't want to play. Who's that guy? Oh, he's shooting me. Let's go. Fast. Oh no, I'm low on health. I'm in the red bar. Full speed. Okay, I think I have avoided them. That was a close one. Very close. I also wanted that Comet, but this is a special bike. I cannot resist. Visit the Los Santos Meteor to begin delivering newspapers. I will also do that. So stay tuned, guys. Okay. I am arriving. I am closing in. 0.88 miles is still far away. Oh, I almost collided with that cop. But they colliding with me. I hope they don't hit me after that. I don't think they. Thank you, friendly cops. I'm going there. I'm just annoying like a bug. Okay, let's go. Full power. Okay, let's go. Nice. CR7 PY2W left. I don't know who is he. He's a Cristiano Ronaldo 7. Okay, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46. It keeps going down rapidly. Just like the bullet train. Okay, I'm doing another wheelie for a second. I didn't. We are going at full power. We are going. Okay. Where am I? I just collided with that building. Don't worry, oh, that's also my garage. But I don't know why there is a little face with a person with a hat in there. I don't know. Okay, I don't know why it's my apartment for sale. I don't want this. Oh, there's one in my garage. Okay. There is my. Where is the garage? I want the garage. ASAP. I want to store this bike ASAP. before anything happens to me. So that's the garage. Let's go. It is about some miles away. Not even 1 mile. The suspension on this thing are great. I just tested it on the stair. Okay, let's go for power. Let's go. Okay, I can see the engine roaring at full power. But yep, I have arrived. Okay, let's go. This vehicle cannot be stored in your garage. Are you kidding me? I don't even want this bike now. I just want to go inside my garage and see what is inside. This is bro, very bad feature. Press to enter the direction button, right to enter the bus garage. Okay, request access bus Oslo 2. I think I have to go. Let's click on the bus Oslo 2. I think that's awaiting permission from Oslo 2. I don't know what's there. Let's go back. Press direction button right to enter the garage. Okay, I will go this time now. Nice, I'm here. Okay. Surprisingly, I have one car. I don't know where did I get this from. I don't remember getting it. But okay, let's take it for a little drive. Let's see how this thing performs. It's a Maibatsu Penumbra. Okay. Pretty fair for a car. It's kind of fair. Oh, this thing is good. Not bad. This thing is not bad. Okay, it's doing some drifts. Pretty drifty. I think that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment. Comment if this video was good or not. I will keep uploading videos. So please guys like and subscribe. I will eat some health ammos now or some snacks. Let's see what's there in ammo. I don't know anything is there. So bye guys. See you in the next video.